My near and dear friends, welcome to this video awarding certificate by using Certify-M add-ons. I, Harit Kumar Rawal from Devi College of Pharmacy, Indore. Pandemic time is going on and everyone or every college or society is organizing an event that is called awareness quiz, and they provide the certificate by using Certify add-ons automatically. Today we will explain how to generate certificate by using Certify add-ons. At the end of watching this video, learner will be able to explain how to add add-ons Google Form Quiz, how to generate certificate automatically by using Certify-M add-ons. Reflection spot. What are the different options available to generate Google Form Quiz options? Now pause the video and write down in your notebook what is the different option available to generate Google Form Quiz option. Now resume and check your answer. What are the different options available in Google Form? That one, short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, I'll upload, linear scale, multiple choice, grade, tick box grade, date, and time. Now we will move to our basic theme, how to award certificate automatically. For this, we required a add-on Certify-M. Certify-M. It will be helpful add-ons available to email certificate automatically online quiz. Use one of the available template or design your own template. In this one, all responses save in your account drive, Google Drive. There's a limit of certification of free version. It will generate only 100 certificates in a day to the participants. And if you have license to this, you can go for 1500. There are different steps to follow to set up Certify-M add-ons. First one, installation. Second one, opening the Certify-M menu, adding identifier questions such as name, address, emails, contact number, etc. Adding exam content and questions, choosing a pass percentage, selection of template for certificate, turn on certification, Google Form quiz setting, Google Form response sheet, and the record of awarded certificate. Now, first you create your Google quiz, and after that click on more button. In the list you can find one tab add-ons. Click on that one. In that, search Certify-M add-ons. Then click on Certify-M add-ons. Now click on install tab and then continue. Now select your Gmail account, then scroll down and click on Hello tab. Now go to your Google Form you just created. Refresh page and click on add-on tab, and hence here is one add-on Certify-M. Click on it and get started. Now you can click on show Certify-M control. Here accept the terms of service. Once you click on it, Certify-M toolbar will appear. You can see here status, record, passing, template, and more. In that one, advanced setting is there. In the first, you can turn on and turn off certification and link to examination. Then when we will click on turn on and wait, link to exam. Then in the second tab is record. In that one we can check how many participants awarded certificate and how many remaining. That in the next passing, in the this one tab you can select a particular passing percentage. From that one, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 or 90 as your own wish. After that, in the next step, golden. In that you can select the tab or preview all and email me sample. In the template, you just click on preview all. Here is a customized template, certificate template that available, or you can design your own template. You can select any one of them. After that, here Certify M comes with 3 professional design template for use in your certificate exam, or here you can see the instruction on how to use your own custom templates. Click here. Here, start new template, set up your template, merge text. There are different texts that will available on the certificate: full name, title, identifier 1, 2, 3, and dates, date, percentage, passing percentage, certificate ID. Which one you want to use for the certificate? That is a list of the tags of Certify M. Go back to your Google form. After the selection of certificate template, you can check by email me sample. After that, click on setting more advanced setting. In the more advanced selection settings, that one you can use advanced certificate option when you can select PDF type or image type. In the next share option, share in Google Drive and other one by mail. Here you type your message, name of the sender, subject of the email, content of the body, certificate, send as PDF or image form, share via mail or Google Drive. Then click on save changes. First one you check email me by sample. Here is the certificate sample copy. Now we will move. Summary: installation of Certify M add-ons, creating templates, award of certificates. Thank you for watching this video.